Medan is the capital of the North Sumatra province in Indonesia, located on the northern coast. Medan is the fourth largest city in Indonesia behind Jakarta, Surabaya, and Bandung, and the largest Indonesian city outside Java. The city is bordered by the Dili Serdang Region Sea to the east, south, and west, and the Strait of Malacca to the north. It is close to the volcano Sinabung, which erupted in August 2010 after a 400-year dormant state. From 2005, Medan was governed by a mayor, Dr. Icha Abdella, MBA, appointed for the period 2005 to 2010. However, Abdella and his vice mayor were caught by Indonesian Corruption Eradication Commission in 2008. Shamsul Arifin, the governor of North Sumatra province, then appointed Afifuddin Lubis to become the acting mayor. In 2009, Afifuddin Lubis resigned as mayor, and the governor then appointed Rahudman Haharap to become the mayor. Because Rahudman wanted to be a candidate in the 2010 mayor election, he resigned as mayor. Then Shamsul Arifin became the acting mayor. In the 2010 mayor election, Rahudman Haharap is elected mayor. Medan is divided into 21 districts and 151 sub-districts.